Hello dear students. In this video lesson I am going to discuss with you chapter number 3 of history, and the name of the chapter is Ruling the Countryside. Countryside. The meaning of this word is rural areas or the villages. So how the villages they were administered by the British, this chapter it's all about that. The East India Company was made the Diwan of Bengal on 12 August 1765. After winning the Battle of Buxar by then Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. Thus the company became the chief financial administrator of the territory of Bengal. Now, the prime aim of the company was to make as much money as possible. Since land revenue, they were the main source of income, its timely collection that was critical for the company. Between 1793 to 1857, the government framed policies aimed at maximizing the income of the British. And these revenue policies, they were known as the Permanent Settlement, the Rayatwari Settlement, and the Mahalwari Settlement. So these were the land revenue policies which were introduced by the British in India. In 1770, a terrible famine that killed 10 million people in Bengal. About 1/3 of the population that was wiped out. So now that was a big question in front of the British, that how to make the land revenue policies successful. This is the illustration which is showing a weekly market in Murshidabad in Bengal. So these markets they were also affected during the times of economic crisis. Permanent settlement. So this revenue system that was introduced in 1793 by Lord Cornwallis. According to this, the Rajas and Talukdars, they were recognized as Zamindars and they were given the responsibility of revenue collection from the peasants. This revenue settlement or the system that was introduced in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. From this system, the Zamindars, they would benefit from increased production because the revenue demand, they would not be increased. It was permanent. Mahalwari settlement. So by the early 19th century, the company officials were planning to change the revenue system. A new system that was devised by Hort Mackenzie. So this system that was termed as Mahalwari settlement, because that the revenue that was collected from a group of village. And these group of villages, they were termed as a mahal. Village headman, he was given the responsibility of revenue collection. But here, the revenue that was revised periodically. So that's why the farmers, they were unable to pay the high revenues or the taxes. A new revenue system that was introduced by Thomas Munro in 1820, and that was to be known as Rayatwari system. In Rayatwari system, the ownership rights were handed over to the peasants. British government collected taxes directly from the peasants, which means there was no mediator like zamindars or the head of the villages. This system that was introduced in the parts of Bombay, Madras and Assam. The revenue rates of Rayatwari system were 50% where the lands were dry and 60% in irrigated land. So this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.